How do I use Google Drive? If you are a high school student looking to manage your schoolwork more effectively, you might be wondering how to use Google Drive. This cloud storage service is a fantastic tool for saving, organizing, and sharing your files online. Let's break down how you can get started with Google Drive and make the most of it for your studies. First, you will need a Google account. If you do not have one, creating it is free and easy. Once you have your account, you can access Google Drive through any web browser or by downloading the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Now let's talk about creating and uploading files. Google Drive allows you to create new documents using various applications. You can use Google Docs for writing essays, Google Sheets for spreadsheets, Google Slides for presentations, and Google Forms for surveys or quizzes. To create a file, simply click the New button and choose the type of file you want to work on. If you have existing files on your computer, you can upload them by dragging and dropping them into Google Drive or using the Upload option. Organizing your files is essential for easy access. You can create folders by clicking New and then Folder. Make sure to name your folders clearly, such as by subject or project, so you can find your work quickly. To move files into folders, just drag them or use the right-click menu to select Move To. When you need to find a specific file, use the search bar at the top of Google Drive. You can search by the file name or even by the content inside the file. You also have the option to change the view of your files between a list and grid format, depending on what you prefer. One of the best features of Google Drive is sharing and collaboration. You can easily share files or folders with classmates or teachers. Just click the file or folder you want to share and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, and you can control their access by allowing them to view, comment, or edit the files. This is especially useful for group projects, as multiple people can work on the same document at the same time and see changes in real time. Using Google Docs and other applications is straightforward. Google Docs works like a word processor for writing essays or reports. Google Sheets is great for handling data and calculations, which can be helpful for math or science assignments. Google Slides allows you to create engaging presentations with text, images, and videos. Google Forms can be used to create surveys or quizzes for class activities. Here are some additional tips for high school students. Use the version history feature in Google Docs to track changes or revert to earlier drafts. Keep your Google Drive organized by regularly deleting old files or moving completed work to an archive folder. You can also take advantage of offline mode to work on documents without needing an internet connection, and your changes will sync when you reconnect. Lastly, back up important school files in Google Drive to avoid losing your work if your computer crashes. By using Google Drive, you can manage your schoolwork more efficiently, collaborate easily with classmates, and access your files anytime and anywhere. It is a fantastic tool that can help you succeed in high school.